Lows in the lower 40s. Highs in the upper 50s. Friday night and Saturday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Northern Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southwestern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Mansfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Coshada, Martin, Hall Summit, Ashland, Edgefield, Womack, Carmel, Crichton, Graham-Bale and Logie-Bale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, DeSoto, Natchitoches and Red River.